Windows 11 is all set to release today, that is on 5th October. So we are going to discuss about the 6 new features that is available in Windows 11. 6 cool new features. So let us discuss in detail and see how you can use that. The 6 new features in Windows 11 and how to use them. The first feature is Android apps. The most highlighted feature in Windows 11 is using Android apps in Windows 11. The user will be able to install Android apps in Windows 11. What exactly is it? Android apps will be built into Windows 11 natively through the new Microsoft Store. Though you could access Android apps on your Windows 10 PC in certain cases, the first time everyone will be able to download them directly onto your PC. Now how you will be able to use it? Android apps will be in the new Microsoft Store via Amazon's App Store. That means you will need to download the App Store, the Amazon App Store, to access the nearly 5 lakh apps available. That includes Disney+, TikTok, Netflix, Pinterest, Uber and more. However, you won't be able to access every Android app found in the Google Play Store. To get started, you will need to download Amazon App Store and sign in or create an Amazon account. Then you will be able to search for the free or paid apps as you would on any other platform. Android apps will be integrated into the start bar and will also appear on the taskbar with their own Windows. Next one is widgets. What is it? Windows 11 will add widgets to the interface. An AI-powered customizable feed that slides out to show you info such as news, weather, a glimpse at your calendar and to-do list and your recent photos. Widgets are similar to the feature called News and Interest found in the recent Windows 10 update. This is an updated version of that. How you can use it? On the newly redesigned taskbar, you will find a button for widgets. When you click or tap it, a panel will slide out from the left side of your screen with a series of widgets that give you the at-a-glance information you are looking for. You can also expand it to a full screen. The next one is Microsoft Teams. What is it? Windows 11 will build Microsoft's video chat platform Teams directly into the operating system, making it easier to access for daily use. You can connect with others on Teams across Windows, Android, Mac or iOS. Teams was available as a third-party application earlier in Microsoft. Now it is integrated as a part of Windows 11. Now how you will be able to use it? Team will now appear in the taskbar. Click the Teams icon to launch and a chat tool, letting you choose if you want to message, text, voice or video call one of your contacts. Click Meet or Chat and choose who you want to contact. Or open the full version of Microsoft Teams by clicking the box at the bottom of the chat screen. The next one on the Windows 11 is desktops. The Windows 11 made the desktop pretty cool in the new version. What is it? Windows 11 will let you more easily create separate virtual desktops for each part of your life and customize them with different wallpapers so you can create a desktop for personal use, work, school, gaming or anything else, and easily toggle between them. This is similar to the Mac OS virtual desktop feature. How you will be able to use it? From the Microsoft demo, it looks like once you do, you will be able to scroll to the bottom of your screen and see a window slide ups with different desktops you created, letting you switch back and forth between them with one click. The next one is Snap Layout. What is it? When you're working in a bunch of open windows, Windows 11 will let you arrange them in different layouts on the screen and will save all of those windows in that arrangement. How you will use it? When you open a window, you will see a button that looks like a square in the top right corner, in between the X and the minus button. Click that to see different layout options of that window and select the layout and the position within the layout that you want to place that window. Next one is Snap Groups. What is it? Snap Groups are the set of open windows that you saved in the Snap layouts, found in the taskbar for easy access to call up once again. so you can minimize or maximize them as a group. How you will use it? Hover over your browser in the taskbar. You will see the different group of sites and apps you created, and it will pop up. Click the one you want to open the whole group again. So these are the 6 cool features of Windows 11. We will keep you updated with more information in the coming days. So keep posted and watch our channel. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.